7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this little crazy mother.
We're about to start our presentations for the morning, and then we'll break up into breakout sessions where we'll be in groups talking about how we can create maps in various areas. It's a beautiful room, absolutely amazing. We had an incredible breakfast next door, so we're just about to start this wonderful morning. People are taking photos, they're eating tea and coffee and little snacks, and we just finished this morning's keynotes and talked about some incredible things that are coming out for Google Maps. I can't share with them quite yet, but are there things that will improve the way that we contribute to things that will help improve the world, such as reducing plastic by sharing water fountains, which you can do now on Google Maps. But there are so many exciting things from Google Maps. Get a video of it, can't tell you all about it, but right now we're on a cool coffee break, but lots of exciting things coming to Google Maps. This is Connect Live 2018 in San Francisco. Right behind me, everything is gluten-free, and there's actually a few vegan options as well. The only thing that's gluten-free are the dinner rolls at the very end, which is very, very far away from everything else. It's really, really exciting. They have tofu, curry, rice, veggies, and also chicken and gravy, and the gravy is gluten-free. They do not put flour in it, so I'm really excited to dig in. It's all gluten-free! beautiful magical room at the Googleplex. Look at these little cute pinwheels. We're about to start keynotes for the day, and then we're going to do breakout sessions and then have an incredible lunch before that. I'll show you all the gluten-free things that we're going to be eating there, but we have some really amazing things on the Google Maps today. I wish I could tell you about it, but since I signed an NDA, I really can't. But look at this incredible room and all incredible people in it. Amazing energy, amazing people, amazing Googlers, and this amazing stage as well. So I'll check in with you later with all the delicious foods. Googleplex, and the Googleplex never disappoints. We have the burger. There were gluten-free buns, but I decided to just get lettuce. They're gluten-free slice of bread after, but I saw the lettuce and I'm going to do that instead because I like lettuce wrapped burgers. There's caramelized onion, which is something that I love and they don't have any at a lot of places, so it was really cool seeing that. French fries that literally are just potatoes and salt, and I know that sounds bizarre to be excited for that, but there are so many places that use the frozen, completely like changed French fries that have 12 ingredients when it should be just potatoes and French fries. So Google just has the simple, easy, delicious, natural French fries. And then we also have potato salad. I got some mayo and ketchup on the side because I like mayo and ketchup combo for French fries. They do it in Belgium. I know I'm bizarre, but it tastes delicious. If you've never tried it, you should try it at home. But I'm going to dig in before I run out of time because I did a lot of video, and I'm going to eat now. We got the most incredible gift bag, and when someone told me what was inside of it, I thought they were joking. But you're gonna see what we got in our gift bag! Alright, so this isn't the most exciting part. It's a little Android thing that's really adorable. I'm gonna put it next to my computer screen at home, but this is the most incredible thing I've ever seen. It's a 360 camera for Street View to take 360 inside a restaurant. A free gift for us, for all the top local guides. I mean, I'm absolutely blown away because last year we got like a nice gift, but it wasn't like 360 camera, amazing, awesome gift. I'm gonna open it right now. I haven't opened it yet. Show you. And people are already playing with this 360 camera. If I can open. Oh, there we go. Ah! It's like the most amazing thing in the world. And it's so small and light, I can carry it in my backpack with all my other camera equipment. Look at that! And it's super easy to use, so obviously it makes sense that Google gave the top local guides this amazing camera. I'm so excited to use it in the future. For me, I will mostly be doing inside of restaurants, but also if I'm ever in an area where they need Street View photos, I will definitely use this. And also, it'd be so amazing to use it for photos at parties to get a 360 view. But thank you so much to Google. You're incredibly the best. I didn't think I could be even any happier at the Local Guide Summit at Connect Live 2018. Thanks so much. This incredible party is about to start. Lots of great people, lots of great food, lots of great drinks, and I'll show you a little bit of what it looks like.
Praise Diane.
Oh, I love you. I love you. We're at the last night party and it's absolutely incredible. Everyone here is amazing and lovely, and I'm gonna cry because like it's the last day and we're all gonna meet each other, but really like now we have 150 new friends from all over the world that we can connect with online, offline, in person, and all these wonderful people are celebrating a wonderful, incredible couple of days here at Google Local Guides Connect Live 2018. I'm so excited to enjoy all the wonderfulness. The energy is incredibly high. Everyone's super excited. We got amazing gifts. We have amazing food. We have amazing drinks. It's just amazing. So here's a sneak peek of what everything looks like. You can hear all the screaming, and they just opened the main doors to go inside. So let's go see what it looks like inside.
Fingers down my spine, girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine, girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine, girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your
Oh my god, check out the inside of this freaking incredible party! I couldn't be happier. Like there's literally, I'm gonna like cry from happiness. This is absolutely incredible. They have a face painting station. Of course they have and of course there will be dancing! And we got goodies and gifts, and we got flyers, and we got nuts and drinks, and we got I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this part of the thing, but check out the party!
Yeah, let's go back.
here at the Google Local Guides Connect Live 2018 Summit. Thank you to everyone who made this incredible experience just the most amazing, amazing few days of my life.
Fingers down my spine, girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine, girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub fingers down